Google just dropped Nano Banana, and it's insane. You can now upload your images and edit them just by chatting. Imagine changing your outfit, blending photos together, or even redesigning a room, all in seconds. This update comes with the new Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview model, now live inside Google's Gemini app and AI Studio. And it's the most powerful image editing upgrade yet. Here's how it works. You upload an image, any format works, then write a simple prompt describing what you want changed or styled. Gemini does the rest, and in just seconds you can export the final edited image. So what makes Nano Banana special? It's all about consistency. Earlier AI editors struggled to keep a person or pet's likeness across edits. Subtle flaws like a face looking almost right, but not quite, made results frustrating. With this update, Gemini maintains identity across edits. Whether you want to try on a new haircut, give your dog a silly costume, or test how you'd look in a different decade, Nano Banana keeps the subject looking like themselves. And it doesn't stop there. You can now combine multiple photos, upload yourself and your pet, and Gemini blends them into a brand new scene, like you and your dog playing basketball together. It also supports multi-turn editing. Start with an empty room, then paint the walls, add furniture, or redecorate step by step, all while keeping the rest of the image intact. Another game changer is design mixing. You can take the texture from one photo, like butterfly wings, and apply it to something else, like a dress or a pair of shoes. It's a whole new level of creative control. This isn't limited to paid users either. Both free and paid Gemini users around the world can try it right now. And every image comes with Google's visible watermark, plus their invisible synth ID, to clearly mark it as AI generated. From quick edits to multi-turn design experiments, Nano Banana makes Gemini one of the most advanced image editors in the world. Whether you want to experiment with your look, redesign your home, or create something totally new, this update puts that power in your hands. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools.